What's going on, guys? I know, first off, it has been a very long time since I made a video. I believe my last video was the OMS Nike boot that I got on super clearance at the Nike outlet here in Portland. I've got a couple of pickups since then, some from the employee store, just Roshi's, nothing special. Then I found these. These are a shoe that I had wanted a very long time since I saw them release about a year ago, a little over a year ago. And I was shopping at Buffalo Exchange. And if you know me, it's where I shop all the time. I end up finding a lot of good deals or steals there. These were on the hold rack. When I asked for them, the employees said actually they're not on hold. They're not sure if they're going to sell them because of the issue with the outsoles. Let's get into it. The Nike Flyknit 1 Racer Plus. Now this shoe is one of 3 models of the Flyknit racing kind of issued shoes. There's this one, which is the Flyknit Racer. It's got this nice outsole. It's a very stable shoe. It's the one that I think they prefer you to run in. There's also the Flyknit Lunar, which is this shoe, taking this sole off and putting a whole Lunar sole on the bottom. And there's one more, I think a Lunar Trainer one, which has a little bit more oomph to it in some aspects. This shoe, long story short, I had said, if it's not on hold, how much are you selling it for? And she said, well, the tag right now says $40. I was prepared to pay that. But then she said, well, wait, hold on, because I don't know if I should charge you that much. I said, what are you talking about? She said, look at the outsole. Here, 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 and here. Pieces have been cut out of the outsole, I believe, for testing, wear testing, rubber durability. I don't know. I didn't worry about it. She said, I'll give it to you for half that. I said, what do you mean? She goes, I'll give it to you for $20. I freaked out, pulled out a $20 bill, and bought the shoe right off the bat. I had no problem doing it. I didn't really have a lot of money to spend that day, so $20 was just fine. The shoe itself is the lighter blue, dark blue, and the black colorway. To be completely honest with you, this is a sample. And I haven't done the research yet, but I'm not sure if this colorway actually came out in this exact model. I know this colorway was based with the Lunar outsole and maybe even the black outsole, but this outsole is gray, and instead of a black swoosh, you have a white swoosh. So I don't know if this shoe actually came out or if it's just a full-on look-see sample. The actual inside tag says, was it the GTW, the GTM sample, so I forgot exactly what that means, but it's the Nike Zoom trainer. Comfortability, it's pretty comfortable. It's got a Zoom Air 4-foot, from what I've heard. The Plus technology, which I took out, switched on different insoles. It's a pretty good shoe. Stability-wise, it's stable, a little bit more stable than a Roshi run. Obviously, you have a fly-knitted material that does form fit to your foot pretty well. From the probably 10 times I've worn the shoe, I have wore it without socks. I don't recommend it. This part does kind of cut into you, like a lot of the reviewers on this shoe said. But as far as comfortability, it's pretty much there. You are going to get stuff like this. You see this wrinkle? Because it's just one solid piece of Flyknit, so it's not like it's got very much stability going on inside. It's a super light shoe. It looks cool with shorts without socks. It looks cool with shorts with black Nike socks or whatever you want to wear. It looks very cool with a pair of jeans that are kind of fitted, cuffed up. It looks very cool with a lot of things. This shoe is a very, very, very hot, hyped up shoe right now. And I was just very, very happy to get the chance to buy it for a dirt cheap price. I was in an employee store a few months ago, had the opportunity to buy one of like 7 or 8 pairs they had color-wise there, and I decided not to, just because I didn't really want to spend the $80 at the time. Instead, I got a couple other pairs of shoes. Long story short, I have one of these for a while. I'm very, very excited and pleased that I got them. And you guys know the deal. The Flyknit is all one piece. It's a very nice new nice new technology that Nike's doing. Supposed to kind of pave the way for more technologies, including the Kobe 9, which is rumored to be using mostly Flyknit. Also, on mononotoriety.com right now, you can see the sample pictures and the wear test of the Kobe 9. But breathability, the shoe's pretty good, and overall, I'm pretty excited that I have it. Let me just throw it on real quick, and we'll do an on foot. Sorry, I'm going to move the computer for a second, so it's going to be kind of shaky. Alright, guys. I'm wearing khaki shorts today. It's a pretty good shoe. I mean, I'd say it's really nothing crazy. Nothing out of the ordinary as far as comfort-wise. It is definitely still a comfortable shoe. And that's really all she wrote, guys. Nike Flyknit trainer. Cool shoe. If you have the chance to buy it cheap, do it. If you have the chance to buy it at full price, think twice before you do it, I'd say. That's really about it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.